How to fix GTA San Andreas on Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall GTA San Andreas from your Mac, you can use the following script, #bin/bash #stop the game if it's currently running if grep GTA San Andreas /dev/null, then echo stopping GTA San Andreas osascript quit app GTA San Andreas fi #remove the game files echo removing GTA San Andreas sudo rmrf/application Andreas.app rmrf/library/application /support/gta/san/Andreas/rmrf/library/caches/rockstar/game/gta/san/Andreas/rmrf/ library/preferences/com.rockstargames.gtasa.plist rmrf/library/save /application/state/com.rockstargames.gtasa.savedState/ echo GTA San Andreas has been uninstalled. Here's what the script does. 1. It checks if GTA San Andreas is currently running and stops it if it is. 2. It removes the GTA San Andreas application from the applications folder. 3. It removes the GTA San Andreas related files from the user's library folder. 4. It displays a message confirming that GTA San Andreas has been uninstalled. To use this script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_GTA_sa.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_GTA_sa.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_GTA_sa.sh. Note that you'll need to enter your admin password when prompted, as the script uses sudo to remove the GTA San Andreas application and related files. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.